I am Alfredo Carrato. I am the chairperson of Pancreatic Cancer Europe. I am a clinician, expert in pancreatic cancer, and working in Madrid, Spain. The future of pancreatic cancer is promising. It's a deadly disease with a 90% mortality now, and I guess that in the next decade we will be able to achieve improvements in overall survival and curability for these patients. The things to do in order to achieve these goals are awareness, the first one, because patients are diagnosed late and half of them are metastatic by the time they are diagnosed. And nobody thinks that a lady in the 40s could have a pancreatic cancer, and finally she has. And we have lost precious time for diagnosis and maybe surgery that could not be performed if she is metastatic by diagnosis. So awareness is very appropriate, as well as prevention. Prevention, we have to identify high-risk groups, high-risk persons in the general population to run a screening program. And we have to develop also this screening program, which has to be very sensible and with a lot of specificity and cheap and easy to do and non-invasive. So by doing so, we will diagnose earlier the tumor, and the patients will have more chances to survive. On the other hand, diagnosis has to be more accurate, and we have to work together with the pathologists in order to get the diagnosis from them with the RAS status already performed. So we do have to know if the patient is RAS positive, as it is in 90% of the cases, or RAS negative, because it's important that we are in the personalized treatment age medicine, and we are tailoring treatment for the patients. And if the patients are RAS negative, we have many choices of other targeted oriented drugs. And now that finally there is a drug that targets efficacy RAS. Yesterday there was a drug that demonstrated in second line after first line treatment, patients were randomized to receive an anti-RAS treatment, which is an oral pill, or chemotherapy in second line. And the results were surprisingly good. The survival doubled in the anti-RAS treatment. This pill increased the overall survival compared to the chemotherapy treatment significantly, and doubled it. And it's a promise to the patients with KRAS. We have other targeted agents as well as immune therapy agents that are developing, like vaccines against the antigens that the tumor has. And they look promising also in results, and all of them combined could fight against most advanced stages of pancreatic cancer. So there's a lot of work to do. We need a lot of funds for developing all these objectives. And I am happy because the future looks promising for our patients.